Hello everyone, my name is Allison Burton and I'm the programmer for the North Adams Library. Now this is the last week of our 2020 summer reading program, Imagine Your Story. So today's theme is fairies. So our book for today is Good Night Fairies, written by Kathleen Haig, illustrated by Michael Haig, and published by Sea Star Books. Copyright 2002. "It's time for bed," said Mother. "I was wondering," said the child. "About what?" asked Mother. "About fairies." "Hop into bed," said Mother, as she turned off the light, "and I'll tell you what I know about fairies." "What do the fairies do when it's nighttime?" asked the child. "Well, the fairies hang the stars in the evening sky," answered Mother, "so every child will have a nightlight." "Why?" asked the child. "Because fairies love little children like you," said Mother. "Of all the world's creatures, there is nothing so like a fairy as a child." "Do fairies have toys?" asked the child. "Fairies don't have toys of their own, but they gather and care for all of the toys children have lost," answered Mother. "Do fairies ever sleep?" asked the child. "On leafy beds in secret gardens," said Mother. "Please tell me all of the things that fairies do," pleaded the child. "It would take days and nights to tell you all about the fairies," said Mother. "But if you will close your eyes, I'll tell you some of the very special things that they do." "Thank you," said the child, snuggling into the soft blankets. Mother said, "When the little animals are sleepy, it is the fairies who read bedtime stories to them. Other fairies paint the wings of tiny bugs and make the butterflies beautiful. There are fairies who teach the birds to sing and the unicorns to fly. It is the fairies who comb the mermaid's hair and draw rainbows to brighten rainy days. It is the fairies who scatter the autumn leaves and paint the winter world white. Fairies make the spring flowers bloom. And on warm summer nights, they dress in spider's lace and dance to the twilight orchestra. And when little ones close their eyes and go to sleep, it is the fairies who welcome them to dreamland." "Good night," whispered Mother, but the child was already far, far away. The end. Now, an activity you can do to go along with this book is make fairy dough, and a song you can listen to is Five Little Fairies. Another fairy book you can read is The Fairy Flag by Lindsay Koch, which is available using your library card and PIN number from Hoopla Digital. The links to each of these can be found in this video's description. Thank you all for watching, have a great day, and stay healthy!